Now, I'm so excited to share with you the new Go Vibrant Eyeshadow Quad in Stunning Skies. This is the palette that you've been waiting for. The numbers on the palette make it super simple to use. I'm going to start by using shade 1 all over my lid. Whenever I'm applying eyeshadow, I like to load up the brush and be sure to tap off any excess, that way the eyeshadow doesn't go all over your face. I'm going to tap in the center of the lid and work my way all the way up into the crease. I'm moving back and forth. Next, I'm going to go into my crease with shade 2. And I'm doing a windshield wiper motion. And that is right on top of shade 1 to create a beautiful, seamless look. I'll even take this color and sweep a little bit underneath my eyes. Next, I'm going to go in with shade 3 for the most beautiful highlight. Again, I'll be using the flat side of my brush. I'm just going to place it right in the inner corner of my eye. And I'll use a little in the arch of my brow just to highlight that area. Next, I'll use shade 4 to smudge underneath and on top of my eyeshadow. I'm going to use a little of shade 4 right on top of my eyelash line and almost into my crease. And now I'm just still using the flat side to blend out the corners that I smudged. And there you have it.